What if I told you that the strength in your legs, your ability to walk, stand tall, and climb stairs with confidence could start coming back? Not in the gym, not through painful workouts, but quietly while you sleep? Yes, while you sleep. Just one simple spoonful before bed. It may sound surprising. It's not magic, and it's not hype, but it could change the way your body feels in just a few weeks. As we get older, our bodies naturally lose muscle. At first, it's small things, a little stiffness, a bit of weakness, but after 60, this process speeds up. Standing up from a chair becomes harder, walking feels more tiring, carrying groceries becomes a struggle. For many people, this leads to frustration, fear of falling, and even avoiding going out. But here's something most people don't realize. This loss of strength may be natural, but it is not permanent. Even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, your body can rebuild strength. The real secret is understanding when your body does its best repair work and how to support it. Are you over 50 and worried about your health? I'm Dr. Tane, and I help you live longer, stronger, and healthier naturally. Subscribe now and let's add healthy years to your life. Your muscles don't actually grow when you're active. They grow when you rest, especially during sleep. While you sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. But it can only do that if it has the right nutrients. Without proper support, your body may continue breaking down muscle, especially in your legs, which are key to your mobility and independence. Here's the part most people miss. During the night, your body goes into deep repair mode. If you give it a slow-digesting source of protein or a gentle mix of muscle-supporting nutrients before bed, you can support your muscles for 6 to 8 hours while you sleep. That's why one simple spoon before bed can make such a difference. That spoon could be a scoop of slow-release protein, or it could be something simple and natural you make at home. For example, a warm glass of milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric, a small pinch of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. No chemicals, no pills. Just a calming, comforting drink that works quietly while you rest. You can also use 1 teaspoon full of hemp seeds powder. Hemp seeds contain almost 25 to 30% high-quality protein, 30 to 40% healthy oils rich in omega-3 and omega-6. They are also packed with essential minerals including magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, and iron. As your body slowly digests it overnight, your muscles, especially in your legs, receive a steady supply of amino acids. These are the building blocks your body needs to protect muscle and help rebuild it. And your legs matter more than anything. They carry your weight, they help you balance, they protect you from falls. Weak legs often mean losing independence. But strong legs give you freedom. They help you stand up easily, walk with confidence, and stay in control of your daily life. Now imagine this. You build a simple habit. 1 drink, 1 spoon, every night before bed. You go to sleep knowing your body is working with you, not against you. After a few weeks, you start to notice changes. Standing up feels easier, you feel more stable, walking feels more natural. Maybe those stairs don't seem as scary anymore. That's not luck. That's your body finally getting the support it needs. So how do you begin? Keep it simple. Each night before bed, prepare a small glass of warm milk, or a high-protein alternative you like. Add your 1 spoon, either a slow-digesting protein or a natural mix like turmeric and cinnamon. Drink it slowly, then go to sleep. Let your body do the work. You don't need intense exercise. You don't need long hours in the gym. You just need to give your body what it has been quietly asking for. 1 spoon every night. I'm Dr. Tane, making healthy aging simple for you. Because your health isn't just about you, it's about the people who love you. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video.